Hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. Welcome to another exciting video. So, when said the update the new trending beef between Sarkodie, Shatta Wale, and Asemno. I ain't got for few say. I ain't got for few say. With this beef, no strong man, any yapon in I was so modium with Jimna and my industry no me no. Inti Shatta Wale echo TV3 and I say omoye TV3 video call. And I say at this point, coronavirus, for no and Sarkodie, and yano and all this and all. Inti, if you say, and try ye na or you're very disappointed in Sarkodie, say obey beef, and yeah, this time, and obey beef granny also say a day ska eba, Nankona Nanke ya Kagana for a day a good to say or pay attention, and I'll catch out to say. With the regular stone who ya pass or the rap about Ghana industry nim na rap crano and penny phone so into me and cover bia na Andy Sima and a Sarkodie at the call Twitter and a jam so the monim that no Poleeno Multimedia the updates nina ever more and you say be a beef we the current updates and the current trend. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Say no call Twitter no kind emu eduye or say Berma Gyae Gyimie no you feel say I get time to throw shot at you at this time. Emotional singers sa and a Sarkodie echo reply Shatta Wale abra or call cast or disappointed in Sarkodie for dissing him at this time of coronavirus time.